Azar promises a fresh take on video chatting, connecting you with people from all over the globe. But does it deliver on that promise? Today we're diving into whether Azar is truly the best video chat app out there or just another face in the crowd. So what exactly is Azar? At its core, Azar is a video chat app designed to connect users through random video calls. You can swipe to find someone new, making it feel a bit like a mix between video chatting and social networking. The interface is quite user-friendly, which is a plus, especially for those new to video apps. One standout feature is the ability to add filters and effects during calls, which can make conversations a bit more fun. The app targets a younger audience looking for casual connections, making it great for those who enjoy spontaneous chats. However, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the privacy policies and how they handle user data aren't as transparent as they could be, which might raise some eyebrows for more cautious users. Overall, while the concept is engaging and the execution is decent, some details about privacy and user safety could use more clarity. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Azar offers a fun and intuitive interface, and the random video chat feature can lead to some interesting conversations. The filters are a nice touch, adding a layer of creativity to your chats. On the downside, there are significant trust concerns regarding privacy. The app's handling of user data isn't as clear as it should be, which might deter some people from fully engaging. Additionally, there are reports of inappropriate behavior from other users, which can be a downside for those looking for a safe space to chat. If you're someone who values safety and privacy, you might want to think twice. But for those just looking for casual connections and fun interactions, Azar could be worth a try. In conclusion, Azar has its strengths, especially for those seeking casual video interactions. However, if privacy and user safety are your top priorities, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, it's a fun app for spontaneous chats, but just be mindful of who you're connecting with.